Hello guys, my name is Alvaro and we're gonna prepare arepas. Our late night munchies is also breakfast, is also lunch. When you finish a party, there is many places in Venezuela selling arepa. This is our signature dish. This is our bread. So the arepa is made from the corn meal, corn flour. And as I showed you in the last video, we prepare this from corn milk, water, salt. That's it. And we rest it. We make a kind of dough, like with the texture of the Play-Doh. And now we're gonna use the same bag. This is very traditional. Use the same bag for shape the arepa. For my town, we used to do it in the bag, but for the rest of the country, they used to make it just holding in your hands. So for me, it's easy. Make it in a bag. For example, in my house is a really tiny arepa, and you can eat like 3. And in the other houses, they can make. My grandmother used to make arepa like this size. This is the final shape, just a round. At the beginning, it's so hard to make a perfect round, but with the time, you're gonna get it. So we got here a preheat pan. With a little bit a touch of oil, not too much. And we're gonna cook it there. At the same of empanadas, you can fill it with whatever you want. Can be scrambled eggs, can be ham and cheese, can be beef, chicken, pork, whatever you want. Can be into the arepa. We share this tradition with Colombia. We always fight about this because we are just explain to the foreign people who is the owner of the arepa, who create the arepa, and we say we both create the arepa. For me, it's a super meal. It's like a sandwich, but you can have all the goodness of the corn, of the meat, of the veggies, all in one. And it's so small, it's so practice. So yes, we love it. This is our bread. This is everything for us. Now we're gonna grate the cheese. The cheese that we can find here in New Zealand, similar to our cheese, is the paneer and the halloumi. In Venezuela, the cheese is really good. It's fresh cheese. Is nothing too crazy. Just fresh pressed cheese. So this is the traditional. Well, at least in my town, the traditional way to eat the arepas, and my favorite. Arepas with cheese is amazing. It's so good. Reminds me when I was a kid. My grandmother used to always be in the kitchen, so she always give me these pieces of cheese for me, and I'm gonna show you later the tips of the arepa when you feel it. I know the all this that I do now is like her, you know. Both of my grandmothers, they just teach me how to cook since I was a kid. I remember the first time that I cooked, I was like 6 years ago, 6 years old. So here we have the arepa. Our bread is just grilled in a pan. So we're gonna proceed to just open. This is the Venezuelan way, as I told you. In Colombia, they used to just put the fill on top. So we're just gonna open. And this is something cool. This is a technique. You have to clean, and you're gonna eat this later with cheese. Then so we got the cheese, and then my favorite, we're gonna add avocado. It's a perfect mix. Cheese and avocado is the best feeling for the arepa for me. It's really simple, and you can have it every day, every morning, every night. So there you go. So we got the arepa, and the way to eat it is just holding. Don't worry about all the pieces of cheese. You're gonna eat it in the end. And it's good. It's soft. It's crunchy. It's full of flavor. It's beautiful. Yeah. So this is something that you have to eat with your hands. It's not a meal for fork and knife. You're just gonna take with your hands. Just eat it. And if you want to see more of these videos and you want to learn more about the Venezuelan and world cuisine, please subscribe us.